What would make someone wake up $8.6 billion of Bitcoin after 14 years, just days after 10,000 BTC from the early days of crypto were moved? A staggering 80,000 more have just been transferred from 8 ancient wallets. Something big is happening behind the scenes. And in this video, we'll tell you what the crypto world is saying, what this could mean for the market, and how to prepare for what comes next. Welcome back to Crypto Crib, where we decode the most important stories in crypto so you can stay ahead of the game. If you're serious about understanding this market and building long-term wealth with crypto, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community. This is the story. In the past few days, the crypto community has been shaken by two massive transactions involving Bitcoin wallets that have been dormant since 2010 and 2011, commonly referred to as Satoshi-era wallets. First, around June 27th, a wallet containing 10,000 BTC worth over $1 billion suddenly became active after 14 years. Then, on July 4th, 8 different wallets, each holding 10,000 BTC, moved their entire balances. 80,000 BTC in total, valued at more than $8.5 billion. These wallets had never made a single outgoing transaction since their creation in the early days of Bitcoin, and the timing is raising eyebrows across the crypto world. But why this matters? To put this in perspective, these 80,000 Bitcoins were likely mined or bought when the price of BTC was under $1. The fact that they remained untouched all this time means they were either lost, which we now know they weren't, carefully preserved, being saved for a very specific purpose, and now they're awake. But what's even more intriguing is that they weren't sent to exchanges. The coins were moved to modern SegWit addresses, which allowed cheaper and faster transactions, possibly indicating preparation for future use, not an immediate sale. Crypto Twitter or X, Reddit, and even analysts from major platforms have offered theories, including pre-bull market repositioning. Long-time holders may be preparing to re-enter or diversify before the next major rally. OTC, over-the-counter deal preparations. These coins might be sold quietly to institutions or high-net-worth individuals without impacting price charts. Security upgrades. Some believe this is a precaution to move old coins to more secure wallets or newer formats, like SegWit, due to concerns about quantum computing or legacy key vulnerabilities. Estate planning. These wallets could belong to early adopters who passed away or are preparing for inheritance transitions. A hack. Some are speculating, especially due to odd behavior on Bitcoin Cash test networks right before the BTC was moved. But this is still unconfirmed. Interestingly, the price of Bitcoin barely reacted. At the time of these transfers, BTC remained stable in the $108,000 to $110,000 range. Why? Because none of these coins were sold on exchanges, at least not yet. This suggests that the market is watching carefully but not panicking yet. However, the psychological impact is very real. The fact that early holders are now moving funds has traders wondering, what do they know that we don't? Are they planning to sell? Is something big coming? And that kind of uncertainty can lead to volatility. These are the potential short-term impacts. Spike in volatility. Even the fear of selling can cause wild price swings. Increase in trading volume. Traders may start hedging against potential dumps. FUD. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. Less experienced investors may panic if rumors intensify. Media amplification. Mainstream outlets may pick up the story, spreading confusion or hype. This are the mid-long-term scenarios. Scenario 1. Strategic repositioning for a bull run. If these wallets are moving to new secure addresses to participate in the next wave, that's bullish. Scenario 2. Institutional sale via OTC. If sold gradually to institutions, it may not crash the market, but it will increase liquidity and distribution, which could stabilize prices. Scenario 3. Panic selling. If hacker dump is confirmed, if the coins are stolen and dumped quickly, highly unlikely but possible, it could cause a sharp correction. Either way, this is not just a technical move, it's a signal, and the market is listening. So, how you can prepare. This event is a reminder that crypto is still wild, and those who prepare stay ahead. Make sure your portfolio is diversified. Use secure wallets. Avoid emotional reactions to headlines. Watch on-chain activity. It often speaks louder than charts. Don't try to time every dip. Think long-term. So, what do you think is really going on with these 80,000 bitcoins? Is this a calm before the storm, or a strategic move before Bitcoin's next big leap? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to know how to take advantage of the crypto bull run that's coming, check out our video. How to get rich with crypto, slowly but surely. It's not a get-rich-quick guide, it is a strategy built to last. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs to stay informed, and subscribe to Crypto Crib for more updates just like this one. See you in the next one.